Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for softer skin all throughout the day? If you are, then you would want to look into this hyaluronic acid. This is by White Egret, and it is a beautiful product that has really softened my skin so much. So this is paraben free and vegan free. It is made with natural ingredients and some Plumeria scent, so you get a nice, fresh, clean scent when you put it onto your skin. I love this product because as soon as you apply just a little bit goes a long way. It smooths into my skin, leaving it feel super soft. And I also really love that scent. It's very natural smelling and it's just immediately relaxing both for the inside and for your skin especially. I love applying this right under my day cream and then under my foundation, and I find that my face stays nice and soft all day. If you're looking for a great product that comes in a generous size container, you have to try out this serum. It absolutely works so well for being a cream serum. I love placing it on and really feeling like my skin is super soft all day, and that's my point of view.